Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at adding on with pictures. So we're going to look at our same problem that we've been looking at, 1/2 plus 1/8. So if number lines didn't do it for you and you're still like, I really don't feel like I understand fractions, maybe this will help. So 1/2 plus 1/8. So 1/2 would be half of this circle, right? And then 1/8 would be 1/8 of a circle. We'll pretend those are even 8 pieces. Hand-eye coordination is not so great. I didn't spend enough time playing video games. Okay, so we have 1/2 plus 1/8. What's that, right? I mean, we could cut this piece out and stick it over here, but it's still not really clear how many there are until we say, well, I'm going to cut the halves so that they match. But if you do that to one side, remember, all of them have to be equal. So we can see now that 1/2 is 1, 2, 3, 4 eighths, and then we have the one more. So the total would be 5 eighths. Again, we can see by the picture what we're doing. We're changing 1/2 to eighths. So we have 4 eighths plus 1/8 equals 5 eighths. Now let's look at this other problem we've been looking at. We have 2/3 plus 1/4. 2/3, we can cut it up into a y, and then 1/4. So 2/3, we're going to pretend those are even pieces, and 1/4. So I could see that 1/4 could fit in there, but I'm just not sure, right? I'm not sure how much of that pie it's going to fill. But if I cut my thirds into fourths, well, that's going to be fun, isn't it? Did I do that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I didn't. I'm gonna try again. So I want to cut my thirds into fourths. So if I cut each piece into half and half again. Now this is a little harder because I didn't do a great job of making those equal pieces. There we go. All right. And then I'm going to cut my fourths into thirds. A little V in each. So now I see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 11 pieces altogether. But then the question is, what are those pieces? And as we keep looking at what we've cut them into, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So either case, we've made 12ths, which is good because remember we have to add like things. Again, our algorithm tells us to make the common denominator, which is 3 times 4 or 12. 2 times 4 is 8/12 for the 2/3. And when we multiply this by 3, we get 3/12. So I have 8/12 and another 3/12 for a total of 11/12.